adventure.
We
Just a second.
we are adventuring.
Because it'll come right back up. I'm just curious where it pulls out right here.
Ooh, that's gnarly. Nice. Good job. Nice. Woo! That was hot. How'd she handle?
That's Dreamlike, like really impressively so. That was a super tight corner that's tighter than Harley can throw, actually.
That was like a 135-degree back right-hand turn. Whoa, whoa, friendo.